Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy USDT in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. Beforehand, let's take a closer look at the Tether website. Tether is the largest stablecoin by market cap, a cryptocurrency that is pegged to the US dollar to stabilize the price. Therefore, Tether can avoid the market's volatility. That means when other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is affected by the valuation that it could come up with, Tether will keep the exact equivalent to the US dollar. Tether was founded in 2014 by Brock Pierce, Reeve Collins, and Craig Sellers. Tether Limited issues the tokens of Tether. Tether is based in Hong Kong, and some of the executive managers of Tether today are part of Bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange. Bitfinex was also the first cryptocurrency exchange that started to trade USDT in 2015, which is the most famous stablecoin issued by Tether Company. Today, USDT is additionally a stablecoin, available in every cryptocurrency exchange. Besides, USDT exists in the Bitcoin blockchain and smart contract blockchains like Ethereum. The fact that it keeps this stability makes Tether suitable for investments, trading, and exchange. Multiple blockchains support Tether, providing integration and adoption without effort. Tether started with $U.S. stablecoin but currently is offering Tether tokens supported by Euro, Mexican Peso, and offshore Chinese Yuan, and recently added Tether tokens pegged to British Pound Sterling. Now, we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to USDT. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select USDT as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now, simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email, in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct. And simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While you expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and wait for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you the desired currency to the provided receiving address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, Do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.